Hello everyone, you're welcome to Rhods Pastries. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment and share. So today we're going to be making beans. So continue watching this video to learn how to make beans. So first you boil water and then you cut onions into your water. You can cook your beans at medium heat just so it won't burn quickly or it won't burn at all, and it will cook properly. Like, it will take its time, though it will take a really long time to cook. So we're just cutting our onions inside the water that we're going to boil, and yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So this is one entire onion and we're boiling it with water for a while. So we're going to put our 4 cups of beans. And you rinse the beans after you're done. So now, after washing our beans, we're going to add it, well, before it boils. So everything would just boil together and your beans will become pretty soft. You can see now it has boiled, and so yeah, and then it's soft now, very soft. So now you can put the palm oil, the salt, the Maggi and all seasoning. This is the palm oil. And then we'll add the seasoning. We're putting salt. This is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and basically 2 teaspoons of salt and the Maggi now. 1 entire tasty cube chicken Maggi cube. Grinded pepper, but you could put atagogo instead of grinded pepper. Thank you for watching. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching.